What up, guys? This is Gabriel, and here's my cousin Aiden. Now, I live in Kentucky, right? Well, actually, oh, there's a tornado coming to Kentucky today on June 21st.